Imagine you've set up an offer with a widget, and you want to test out the widget on a draft theme instead of a live theme on your store. For instance, let's take this free gift with purchase offer. We have multiple themes in the theme section of the online store section in Shopify. We don't want the widget to apply on the live theme, but on one of the draft themes. On Kite, go to Settings, and then to Widget Settings. Here you'll find the Install Widget section and the Test mode. Enable the test mode and select the theme on which you want to test it out. Ensure that the theme app extension is disabled on your live theme because you don't want to test it on your live theme. Let's select the draft theme where we want to test it out, say the Dawn theme. Now click on Activate. After activating, save this. Come back here and refresh. You'll see that the widgets are active on the draft theme. Save this. Please note that if you want to test out discounts, this won't work. You'll likely need a sandbox store or a staging store for testing out the discounts, because discounts, if enabled, run across all your themes on your online store. But when it comes to free gifts and product editions, they work typically with widgets, and widgets are tied up to the theme app extension. So when we view this offer on the draft theme, the widget is visible. After adding this to the cart, you can see that the free gift also gets added to the cart, and you're able to view the widgets and the free gift as well. This is how you can enable the test mode and test it out on your draft theme. When you're ready to enable this on your live theme, you can use this Activate Kite in this section itself, or you can just go to your online store and click on Customize for your live theme and enable the app extension on the live theme. If you view this on your live theme, you'll see that the offer is enabled on your live theme and the offer applies here as well. Reach us out if you have any other questions.